Congestive heart failure is inability of ventricles to pump the blood to the various parts of the body or inability of the ventricles to fill the blood into it. So that is the main reason for this congestive heart failure. Then, when it comes to epidemiology of congestive heart failure, 5 million American cases are registered every year, 800,000 patients will be registered every year, 250,000 deaths will be seen every year, and 150% increase of this congestive heart failure is seen in the last 20 years regarding this congestive heart failure. When it comes to etiology you know very well. Etiology means the reason. So the reason for this heart failure is mainly, there are many reasons, mainly valvular dysfunction or overload of the heart or severe lung diseases, diabetes, anemia and other thyroid disorders are also the reasons. When it comes to signs and symptoms of this congestive heart failure, mainly shortness of breath will be there. You cannot take the breath very easily. Weakness of the body will be there, and need for the increased pillows will be there at the night time, and then coughing will be there. Swelling of feet will occur due to this. Anorexia means the patient may not feel the hungry, he cannot take the diet, so that is also. So, GI complications will be vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain and constipation will be there. When it comes to neurological complications, fatigue. Fatigue means nothing but extreme tiredness of the body will be there. And then insomnia. Insomnia means the patient are unable to sleep, and vertigo means loss of balance will be there. The patient may fall at any portion. And diagnosis includes electrocardiogram will be there, chest x-ray, you have to do chest x-ray for the patients, echocardiography, heart catheterization have to be done. What is this heart catheterization? Is nothing but a long thin tube. Heart catheterization is nothing but long thin tube is inserted into the arteries and veins, and through the cam they are checked whether there is any problem with this heart pumping of the blood or not. Like that it is checked. And also there is a stress test and blood test have to be performed for diagnosing this congestive heart failure. And then when it comes to the management, mainly depends on the type, severity and cause of this congestive heart failure. Mainly lifestyle modifications have to be done, which includes taking good nutrition, doing daily exercises and reducing the risk factors like alcohol and smoking have to be performed, and restriction of sodium intake in the diet and avoiding the excessive fluid intake of alcohol, weight reduction techniques have to be performed. Daily the patient have to do regular exercises. When it comes to pharmacological therapy, it includes ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, diuretics, digitalis and calcium channel. Drugs have to be taken for treating this congestive heart failure. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.